Hi guys, this is an unboxing video from Totally Thomastown. So we just got this huge lot in and we're just gonna do one box right now. And here we go.
Alright, so it seems that we have a Gordon.
Oh, but the face looks like Edward, so maybe we have to change the...
Maybe the tender
Yeah.
looks different. Then there's Toby. Oh, look at this guy. Diesel 10. He's got the claws there.
Oh, that's so cool. So this one's an all Trackmaster box.
Yeah.
From the looks of it.
It's Diesel and it comes with some cargo. Oh, then we got Percy.
My favorite.
He's awesome. Then it looks like we got a Thomas. Always good to have lots of Thomases in your collection.
It looks like he's missing some eyebrows.
Oh, and there's this Thomas. If you look at the side, it looks like there's some snow
Ooh,
or something.
nice.
Comment below if you know what episode it's from. Then we have a mud-covered Thomas. Or it looks like he's going through some mud. Well, and then there's this Thomas that comes with some cargo. Oh, and then we got Hero. And then I found his tender in the box as well.
Nice. I love Hero. He's so cool.
He's cool. Oh, another Thomas.
He doesn't look very happy.
I know. I wonder why.
Comment below if you know.
And then there's Emily. She's one of my
Ooh.
favorites.
Yeah, she's my favorite female chain.
Yeah. Oh, and then there's Molly. She's another favorite of ours as well.
Mm-hmm.
Then we got, this is Clarabelle.
Nice.
I wonder if Annie's in this box too. Then we got, oh, who's this, guys? Look at his face.
So cute.
He looks a little frightened.
Mm.
Whoa, guys, check it out.
Dun, dun, dun.
It's Flynn.
I wonder if his tender is in here. Or if this one
Maybe.
comes with a tender.
Maybe we can find it in the box later. Oh, another Percy.
Mm-hmm.
We'll put him in front of you. Do you guys know who this guy is?
Paxton.
Yeah. Oh, Devin, I think this one's your favorite.
Oh, it is. You caught me. I lied about it earlier. I love green and Luke is so cute. I love his face. I love his accent. Everything.
Another Percy.
Awesome.
Whoa. It's Connor.
Whoa. Do you guys have one at home? He's super cool.
Do you guys like Connor or Caitlin better? Then there's Mavis.
She's a nice diesel.
She looks very friendly. Then there's Stepney.
Ooh.
He looks very happy. Whoa. This guy doesn't look too happy.
Got the rosy
Diesel.
cheeks.
He must be hard at work. And then there's Charlie.
The jokester. Are you the class clown?
Another Thomas. This person must have loved to have bunches of Thomas.
Ooh, I think this one's a talking one.
I wonder if it works.
Oh, no,
No.
probably have to put some batteries in there.
Oh! Whose tender is this, guys? It looks like there's some snow on it. We'll put that over here. Oh, there's another cargo. Oh! Flynn's tender.
Yay!
Oh, guys, look at this, James.
Oh, that's so cool.
I wonder where he's going. And then
Henry.
I wonder where his tender is.
I guess I just really like all the green green
I think
engines.
so. Guys, I think I found who the tender belongs to.
Ooh.
Should we put it together? Maybe we shall. Ta-da! Whoa, guys! Guess what this one is?
Oh man.
I've
This looks
never seen this
so
one before.
Cool.
Look at
Me
that.
neither. I haven't seen this one either.
That's so cool. Wow.
Love it.
I've never seen that. That's so cool. Oh, looks like a flatbed.
Nice.
Always good to have some of those. Oh, incoming. There's Harold. Then there's Sir Handel.
Oh.
Oh, look at this one, guys. Ready?
Whoa!
Look at all that detail in that. Is this the crash and repair Thomas? I think so.
Other engines are agreeing.
Then there's this guy. Some more flatbeds. Do you guys know who this one is? Comment below. Another Thomas.
What?
What? There's about 7 here now.
How many do you guys have? We have, I don't even know how many. We have so many.
We have so many. Cause look, there's another Thomas.
Oh man.
We're gonna have the biggest Thomas collection out there, I think. Look at Renee's.
Oh, his face is cute in this one.
Mm-hmm. Oh, then there's Salty. This one looks like a talking Salty. But there's no batteries in it right now, so we'll probably have to put some more in later. Guys, have you seen Timothy before? That's pretty cool. Oh, then we got another James. Always good to have
Awesome.
James. Guys, look who it is. It's Victor.
Yay!
Guys, guess who tender this is? Because I think it's this guy.
Ooh, the rocket. Steven.
Does he go super fast? Let's see, who else do we have in this box? Samson? Do you guys know any cool facts about Samson? Comment below if you know. Oh, it looks like we got a remote control. I wonder if one of the Thomases belongs with this. And then there's Gator. I think he's one of my favorites as well. We'll put him down there. Then who else do we have in here? Percy. He's pretty cool. And, oh, looks like we have another Percy. Our Percy collection is going to be just as big as our Thomas collection, I think. Looks like another Percy here. Oh no! Percy looks surprised or scared of something.
Maybe he's scared with James.
Maybe.
Oh man, look what I found.
Whose tender is that?
I think it goes right here.
Oh. Another passenger car. Oh, and then who do we have? Freddy. Fearless Freddy. That's pretty cool. Oh! Whose tender is this, guys? Comment below. Another Charlie. I think we're halfway through our box, guys. Check it out.
Oh,
There's so much more to come.
looks like there's some wooden stuff, but we'll save that for later.
A troublesome truck. Wonder why they're always causing so much trouble. Cargo car. Look at this one. Looks like a power cargo car.
And then I have someone's tender.
Whose tender is that, guys? Do you think we have that person's tender out here in this collection? Or maybe it's still in the box. And we got some more of these. Lots of them.
Lots and lots.
Oh, some different colored ones too. Flatbed. Always good to have since we can carry cargo in it. Some more.
Oh, look. It's a dumping one.
Oh, that's cool. We're gonna have to find some cargo to put in that one.
Yeah.
Here's a caboose.
And another one.
And another one. Nice. This one looks like it's the Misty Island Lumber.
Do you guys know what this one is? I don't think I've seen this one before.
That's an interesting one.
Cool. I wonder who pulls that.
Another flatbed.
Then a fuel tanker. These are super popular.
That's pretty cool. Another one.
And another one.
Oh, that one
With
came
some
with cargo though.
It's removable.
I think I found one of the James's tenders. We'll put that together later. Ooh, look at this one, guys. The door doesn't seem to open though.
So this one I like. As you can see through it.
Two different colored ones. Pretty
And
cool.
there's this one.
Oh,
It looks interesting. There's a lever on the bottom and you flip it and it, I guess it flips whatever's on top of it out.
interesting. Then there's one of those to carry some more cargo.
Oh, look, Kristen, look what I found.
Whoa! Stanley.
We'll just have to clean them up a little bit, but
We'll stick them through the engine wash.
yeah, there we go.
That'd be a good idea. Another one. What else
I
did you
wonder
find?
if this one is the
Oh.
one that goes.
With the other power one.
Don't know where it is, so we'll find it later.
Another yellow one.
And one more piece. Just another flatbed with rails. And I think that's... Oh, and there's one more.
Last one. Awesome.
I think that's all.
So we'll just give you guys a quick overview of this all. Lots of flatbeds, some cargos, cabooses, troublesome trucks, some of your guys' favorite characters and some of ours. There's some cool ones that we've never seen before.
And then some classics.
And everyone's favorite, Thomas, Harold. These will all be up on our website in the next couple days, so you can check them all out at www.totallythomastown.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell notification to get notified when we post new videos. Thanks!